In today's video, I'll teach you how to check order status on Costco. First of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in costco.com. Press enter. After you do that, you'll be led to the official website of Costco. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. So if you want to check your order status, for that what you have to do is simply go to the order interface. Click on this option, orders and returns, that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be able to see all of your orders over here. Right now I do not have any orders, but I'll tell you what to do. What you have to do is simply find the order that you would like to track. After you do that, click on the option view order details that you can see on that particular order. Now you'll be able to see the tracking number link over there. Simply click on the tracking number link. Clicking this link directs you to the carrier's website for detailed tracking information. Now when the link is opened, you'll be able to see the order status over there. The order status will update from order received to shipped and invoiced and finally delivered. So like this, you'll be able to see the order status. So that is how you check order status on Costco. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.